I'm Ronan, representing Alain Nantes from Nantes in France. We've been working for 40 months now, setting up organization with main goal is to protect and promote the values of our football that have been destroyed for the last 10 years through 3 different private owners. We're not currently involved in the club. We're preparing the future, expecting the current owner, a Franco-Polish businessman, to sell the club quite soon, which is probably going to come next year. Our main goal is to invest money in the football school, to become owner of the football school, and then somehow to get involved in the board of the club within a few years to come. It's been quite a busy year, 2000, which is kind of good result for 14 months as organization. Yeah, we're still growing.